Okay, you guys. Now, I think we've had enough practice doing half notes and switching between E, D, and C. So I'm not going to go into as detailed an explanation on this one here. This is called Two for the Show Duet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the A line for you, and then I'm going to play the B line for you, and then we'll talk about the strategy for figuring it out, okay? But again, it's all C, D, and E. Hopefully, if you did number 12 and you were successful with that, it's not a big stretch to figure out how to do 13A and 13B. So here's 13A. 1, 2, ready, begin. All right, there we go. All right, now, 13B uses slightly different notes. Okay, so I'm going to play 13B now. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so there's a lot going on there, right? So here's the thing. As before, I highly recommend that you do 2 measures at a time, and then build as you go. So when we look at this, right, do you see how that's a half note and a half note and a whole note? Now, it would be really helpful to use what we call rhythm syllables while tapping your foot to kind of get the feel for how the rhythm goes. So watch this. Ta, ta, ta. Do you hear how I said ta, like a ta and an ah, but kind of smooth. Ta, ah for that one. And then ta, ah, 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 but smooth, right? Listen again. Ta, ta, ta. All right, and then what I say, all right, this is a C, this is a D, this is an E. So I just practice my fingers a little bit, right? So I've already set it, with the rhythm and tapping my foot. C, D, E, and then I go ahead and I play it. Like so. So if you break it down that way, say the rhythm or think the rhythm, think or say the notes and push the buttons and then try to put it together. It'll save you a lot of time, all right? And again, practice each 2-measure section, and then as you do each additional 2-measure section, then add it on. So you go 2 measures, then you do 4 measures, then you do 6, and then you do 8, and then you finally have the whole song. All right, now, I'm going to play for you number 14, because I can. This is called Go for Excellence. All right, here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool one, huh? All right, and I'm going to let you figure that out, okay? Because I think you have enough skill and knowledge from doing all this stuff. But make it your goal to try to play along with me on that recording, okay? All right, have fun with 13A, 13B, and 14.